Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They are used for joining words, groups of words, phrases, and sentences. Kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Examples: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Correlative conjunctions. Examples: as, both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, such, that, such, as, so, that, so, as, and whether, or. Subordinating conjunctions. Examples: after, although, because, before, how, if, once, since, than, that, though, till, until, when, where, and whether. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join together sentences or clauses, words or group of words that are equally important. Examples: you can go there by train or take the flight. Megha is not available on Friday, nor will be in town during the weekend. Coordinating conjunctions include and, but, or, now, neither, for, yet still, so, and so on. They are used for adding one statement or fact to another. Coordinating conjunctions are of 4 types. The types are determined by the functions these conjunctions perform. They are: first, coordinating conjunctions of addition; second, coordinating conjunctions of contrast; third, coordinating conjunctions of choice; fourth, coordinating conjunctions of logical deduction or inference. The following section discusses each type in detail. First, coordinating conjunctions of addition. The coordinating conjunction and is used for addition. It is used for joining two or more things, ideas, or elements of similar type. Examples: Shakespeare, Milton, Shelley, and Keats are great English poets. 2 sentences. Ankita wants to visit London. She wants to visit Rome too. Ankita wants to visit London and Rome too. Second, coordinating conjunctions of contrast. Coordinating conjunctions such as but, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, only, still, whereas, and yet are used for joining contrasting ideas. Examples: A. The rabbit was fast, the tortoise was steady. The rabbit was fast, but the tortoise was steady. B. I don't feel too well today. I'll help you finish the work. I don't feel too well today. Nevertheless, I will help you finish the work. Third, coordinating conjunctions of choice. Conjunctions such as or and otherwise are used for joining ideas that denote choice. Examples: you must work hard. You will not succeed in life if you don't. You must work hard, otherwise you will not succeed in life. You must work hard or you will not succeed in life. Fourth, coordinating conjunctions of logical deduction or inference. Conjunctions such as for, so, and therefore are used for joining ideas or arguments with a logical connection. For, so, and therefore are used for introducing the cause of an effect. Examples: A. You were tired and sleepy. I did not disturb you. I did not disturb you, for you were tired and sleepy. B. I could not come to school yesterday. I had fever. I had fever, so I could not come to the school yesterday. I had fever, therefore I could not come to school yesterday. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used for joining either words or sentences. They appear as pairs and are used for linking equivalent sentences. Both and. Example: you can come home. Your brother can come home too. Both you and your brother can come home. As well as. Example: student of class 7th may go for the summer camp. Students of class 8th may go for the summer camp too. Students of class 7th as well as class 8th may go for the summer camp. No less than. Example: I am grateful to my parents. I am equally grateful to my teachers. I am no less grateful to my teachers than to my parents. Not only, but also. Example: it is humiliating. It is highly illegal too. It is not only humiliating but also highly illegal. No sooner than. It joins two consequential actions that took place within a short interval. Example: I started from home. The rain started immediately after that. No sooner did I start from home than the rain started. Subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction used for joining two statements, one of which is dependent on the other, is called a subordinating conjunction. On the basis of the meaning they convey, subordinating conjunctions are further classified into the following categories. First, subordinating conjunction of time: when, whenever, as soon as, before, after, since, while, as, till, until are used as subordinating conjunctions of time. Second, subordinating conjunctions of purpose. These conjunctions include so that, in order that, lest, etc. Third, subordinating conjunctions of condition. The conjunctions representing this category include if, provided, unless, etc. Fourth, subordinating conjunctions of comparison. As, than, so as if, etc. are included in this category of conjunctions. Fifth, subordinating conjunctions of manner. So far as though, as if, as, so, etc. are placed in this category of conjunctions. Sixth, subordinating conjunctions of place. This category of conjunctions includes where, wherever, whereas, etc. Seventh, subordinating conjunctions of cause or reason. Subordinating conjunctions of this category include as, because, since, that, etc. Eighth, subordinating conjunctions of contrast or concession. Although, however, though, etc. are the conjunctions of this group. Ninth, subordinating conjunctions of result. Subordinating conjunctions expressing result include so that, such that, etc. Examples: first, I was sleeping when the doorbell rang. Time. Second, they have to work very hard so that they may get 2 square meals a day. Purpose. Third, try to hold it firmly if you can. Condition. Fourth, Deepa is as tall as Mala. Comparison. Fifth, as one sows, so shall one reap. Manner. Sixth, I found no peace wherever I went. Place. Seventh, Mahesh is quite happy that Mehak has accepted his proposal. Cause. Eighth, although Mr. Sharma is very rich, he lives a life full of misery. Contrast. Ninth, he is such a Samaritan that one can hardly forget him.